With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's see this question. In this question it is given, which of the following statement is true? The first statement is, acetaldehyde gives positive test with Fehling solution and skips reagent. We know very well what is the formula of acetaldehyde. It is CH3CHO. So the functional group which is present here is aldehyde. We know that aldehyde gives aldehyde the test of aldehyde is that aldehyde gives red PPT of Cu2O in Fehling solution, right? In Fehling solution, aldehyde gives red PPT of Cu2O in Fehling solution. So definitely aldehyde, that is CH3CHO is an aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde, will give red PPT and hence it will give positive test with Fehling solution. So first statement is correct. And with skips reagent, we know that aldehyde gives pink color with skips reagent, right? With skips reagent. This is also very important that aldehyde gives pink color with skips reagent. So both these statements are correct. So you will say that the first statement is true. This is the true statement. Now let's see the second one. Second one says that tertiary alcohols gives blood color with Victor-Mayer test. Now Victor-Mayer test is a test which is used to determine the alcohols, whether it's primary, secondary or tertiary. So you know this is tertiary alcohol, R3COH, right? When you do the Victor-Mayer test, in Victor-Mayer test, first you treat it with P plus I2, that is with iodine it is treated, and this OH is replaced by an iodine, so it becomes R3CI. And then finally it is treated with what? It's treated with AgNO2. It is treated with AgNO2 to give you R3CNO2, right? And then finally it is treated with HNO2, and then when it is treated with HNO2 there is no reaction is performed because it does not have any hydrogen. It is a 3 degree, it is having 3 alkyl groups because it is a tertiary alcohol, so no reaction is performed. So what you will say that tertiary alcohols do not give Victor-Mayer test. Alcohols do not give Victor-Mayer test, right? Do not give Victor-Mayer test because of the absence of any hydrogen. They do not give Victor-Mayer test, right? Here HNO2 will give no reaction with this reactant, right? Now let's see the next one. Now this is the false statement. Let's see the next one, that is phenol gives positive test with NaHCO3. Is it true? Definitely it's not true because phenol, this is phenol, and actually phenol is a very weak acid. It is a very weak acid. It is a weak acid and does not liberate, it's very important, and does not liberate hydrogen with NaHCO3. This is very important. NaHCO3, it is a weak base. It's a weak base and does not liberate CO2, right? CO2 gas is liberated with carbonate, so that it does not liberate CO2. Effervescence is not produced with phenol because it's a weak acid, right? Because the negative charge on oxygen is delocalized over the entire ring, and that's why it becomes a weak acid and it does not liberate CO2 with NaHCO3. So what you will say that this statement is also false, that it gives positive test. Definitely it does not give any test with NaHCO3. Then only primary amines can give isocyanide test. Is it true? What is isocyanide test? If you remember, you have a carbylamine reaction. The carbylamine reaction says that RNH2, that is when primary amines reacts with CHCl3 and KOH. This is very important. When primary amine reacts in presence of alkaline chloroform, that is KOH and CHCl3, you get the formation of isocyanide, RNC. This is isocyanide which has a characteristic smell. Isocyanide has a characteristic smell, and along with it what you get the formation of KCl, plus you get the formation of KCl plus you get the formation of water. So this is very important. Here it will be 3 KCl. here it will be 3KO, and here there will be 3H2O, and now you can see that the reaction is completely balanced. So you have isocyanide is formed. So this isocyanide test is used for primary amines. This is very important. You should remember that primary amine only gives this isocyanide test or carbylamine reaction. So the last statement is also true. So which of these following statement is true? The first and the last statement is true. So we'll write here that option 1 and 4 are correct, right? I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.